Yeah, hello there. Well, went to the local auto parts store. They never even saw anything like this. Poor girl. Oh well. They looked it up and they looked it up and they could not find it. So, what happened? I had a box of these. I know they're not supposed to be that used or that great, but that's what I had. So I spliced that one wire. Focus. So I spliced that one wire right here together, put them together here, batten it down, and it should reach. Yeah. At least they hit the floor. Well, it should at least reach the positive post of the battery, but we'll see when that time comes. All I have to do now is hook this back up, and we'll see. Just thought I'd give you an update on this.